Hi everyone, my name is Zaid Alisa Al-Maliki, and today I will talk about AWS Python mastering Boto 3 using Python. So this is a free webinar about the course AWS mastering AWS with Python, mastering Boto 3 using Python. Before we get into details about this course, I will talk about myself and why you have to take this course. So let's get started. First of all, I am Zaid Alis Al-Maliki. I am working in the industry for more than 15 years, 10 years as a software engineer, and the last 5 years as a data scientist and data engineer. So I have expertise in this area. So with this course, you can take advantage of my expertise and you can benefit yourself. Here I put, this is my website, dataacadian.com, which is in this website you can find many tutorials about data science and data engineering, machine learning and other things, so you can boost your career and be a better person and better data engineer and software engineer. This is my LinkedIn. Check this LinkedIn, because with this LinkedIn you know I am an expert in this material. So this course, this will be really for you to take it. You will find a better job, better than the shit of the job that you are working in. So if you take the course, it will not benefit me because I am an expert in this material. It will benefit yourself, and you will earn more money, you will have a better job, and you will have better quality of life. And instead of working in the same shit of job that I'm working now and complain all the time, I don't have money, I don't have this, I don't have that, take this course and you can boost your career. And this is one of the best course in the world, the best course ever. We will offer this course $200, but only for the best 10 subscribers. I repeat that, only for the best 10 subscribers. We will make it between 70 to 80, between 70 to $80, only for the first 10, because this is an experimental course. And if this course is working, we will put more course to boost your career and have a better life, better job, and so you can leave this piece of shit of job that you have right now. Okay? Check this website, dataacadian.com, and check my LinkedIn. And if you like what you see, you take the course, and that's it. If you don't like it, goodbye. Take the free webinar, and all we are friends. Thank you very much. See you soon. My name is Zaid Alisa, and I am the creator of dataacadian.com. You can check my website to see a good news and a good articles of machine learning, data science and data engineering. Okay, so here I will talk about Amazon AWS mastering Boto 3 using Python. This is a free webinar, and this free webinar we will talk about the introduction to this course. This is the best course ever in the market, the best course in the world that you can take. And this course, the price of it is $200. But for the only first 10 that take the course, which is experimental, because this is experimental course, they will have the course between $70 to $80 only for the first subscribers. Okay, and this is not like the other course, like the other bullshit and horseshit that you can find outside, because this is really hands-on course working with real data and real application. So here we will talk about the course, who can take it, what do you need to accomplish in this course, what is the content, and after that we talk about the free content. And this is my gift to you, my friends, because you take this free webinar. In the course we will work on AWS using Python Boto 3 API. I will explain the most important thing about Boto 3 and AWS, and you should have a basic understanding about S3, which is the simple storage service beforehand. You need to have a simple understanding because it will make the course easier for you and quicker. But if you don't have this understanding, nothing happens. You will spend more time in the course, and I will help you because you have my email. I will give you my email, and I will give you my Skype, so we can talk and we can solve any problems that you have. You will develop your own AWS solution from scratch using Python, Boto 3, and TDD, which is test-driven development, which is the process when you have to do your application. And you will build an application with S3 buckets, Boto 3, Python, files, and test-driven development. And I tell you this is the best course ever can you take. It's worth it. It's worth $200. But here for you, because it's an experimental, for the first people that take it, you will give him a very affordable price, very affordable, between $70 to $80, only for my best 10 subscribers. Who can take this course? The beginners on AWS who wants to put their theory in practice, AWS Cold Architecture Associate, exam preparers who wants to practice their theories with real projects, who want to learn multi-part upload, who wants to learn how to work with S3, who wants to learn how to implement infrastructure as a code on AWS, who wants to learn how to develop infrastructure on AWS using Python, and last but not least, the guy and girls who want to learn AWS Python API, which is with the name of Boto 3. What do you need to accomplish this course? You need a basic knowledge of Python, because Python will be your language for interacting with AWS, because it's easy and quick. You need a PyCharm, because PyCharm is the best IDE for Python development and testing, and this IDE is from our friends of JetBrains. And I tell you this, I didn't receive any money from them because it's really good. The basic knowledge of S3, which is the simple storage service from AWS. Boto 3, you need Boto 3, which is the Amazon Web Service SDK for Python. It enables Python developers to create, configure, and manage AWS services such as EC2 and S3. Boto 3 provides an easy-to-use, object-oriented API as well as low-level access to AWS services. And then you need an operating system, my friends, because how you will run this thing, you need some shit like an operating system. I will be showing how to prepare environment on macOS and Linux. Windows is always welcomed. You can get more details about Windows software. So in this course we will focus on macOS and Linux, but Windows maybe another course, or if you want to install it on Windows, I can help you, because you will have my email address and we will have session you can use my Skype. AWS account, which is a free tier available for up to 1 year. AWS CLI, you will basically use it to easily configure your environment with credentials. This is really important because it will make your life easier using the AWS command line option. What is the content of the course? In this course, we will have an introduction. We make the environment ready for the action. We will design our war zone so we can practice there. We have a macOS environment setup. We have a Linux environment setup. Bucket operation in S3, how we will create a bucket. Bucket operation in S3, how we will object operation in S3, how we will create objects. And we will build an application from scratch based on TDD process, based on test-driven development process, and bonus material for our first 10 subscribers. Okay, my friends, about the free content, we will talk about how we install Python 3 on macOS and pip, how we install PyCharm community, which is free, how we install the AWS command line, Boto 3, and we verify the setup. We verify the setup for each one of these steps. So thank you, my friends, and let's get started now with the installation with the free content for this free webinar. But before that, you know that this free webinar is to take the course. It's the best course ever, the best course in the market and in the world. Okay, and this is not the bullshit that you find in the internet and that you find in many platforms, you know, because this is the real deal, my friends. This is the real deal. So you can learn a lot and you can have a better career. You can find the job that you want. You can find your dream job learning this course. Okay, and this course will have a price of $200, and for the first 10 subscribers we have it between 70 and 80, only for the first 10. So I recommend you to go there and subscribe to this course. Okay, in 2-3 weeks we will send you the subscription. We will send you the subscription button. Okay, and now let's get started with the free content. Python 3 and pip. We will install PyCharm community, which is a free IDE. Python is the best IDE for Python in the market, and this is from our friend from JetBrains. And when I say that, I say it without earning any money from JetBrains, you know. I say it because I tried it many years. We install AWS, which is a command line for the interact with S3, so we can check our buckets and our object. After that, we install Boto 3, which is the Python API to connect with AWS. And last but not least, we verify the setup for each one of these steps to see if we set up the environment. In this free content, we will not talk about virtual environment. This is why you have the course, so you go and you take the course, because it's the best course ever. It's the best course in the world if you compare it with the other shit, with the other horse shit that you can find in the market, because this is a course hands-on. So let's get started with the installation. Start from here, brew, install Python. We will use the homebrew tool, which is a tool for installing Python. So this tool, in this tool we can use it for install any package inside the macOS. Okay, so let's get started with here. After that, we check the installation, Python 3. After that, we get from here, we check the Python 3 0.7. We quit from here. Okay, so this installation work as well. After that, let's go and check what we have to do. So here we have to install pip. First thing, we downloaded the pip, which is using the command curl, and after that we install it using Python. Okay, so here we use Python 3 to make the installation, and that's it. First thing we collect the file, and after that we install it. Like you see here, they told you found existing one, which is 19.1.1. So after that we install 19.1.1, we uninstall it, and then we install 19.2.3. That's it, we have both of them. Pipe version. Okay, let's see this pipe minus v minus, let's check this out, minus v uppercase letter. We can check the version, my friends. So see this is the version of pip and the version of Python. Version of Python 3.7 and version of pip, which is 19.2.3. Let's keep going, baby, keep going. After that, we have to download the PCharm. We have two types. We have the professional and we have the community. We go there and we download it. Okay, we need a lot of time to download it, so what I will do, make your life more easier. I have it here, so what I will do is install it directly. Opening, drag it to the application, and after that we have it installed. If we want to run it, we have to wait for this, which is the copy the file from the PyCharm CE to the application. After that we run this, my friends. Okay, verify. Let's stop this. Okay, we pause this. Open. So here, ask you, is an app downloaded from the internet? Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I am sure, because it's a good application. So good application, baby. We open it. Let's see it here. We don't import anything, and after that you see this. So I used this before, I never use it, and we can configure this. But okay, next you have lights and we have Dracula. We like Dracula, which is nicer for myself. You can choose this if you want. Okay, if you want to create a script. After that we have plugins. We don't need any one of them at the moment. I'm gonna start using this. We open it. We don't have any project yet, or you create a new project. For example, test. We create the project. Okay, running, baby. After that we have it here. So you create a simple project with a virtual environment with bin, include, and lib, and that's it. In the course, if you take the course, which is the best course ever, it's really affordable course. This course, if you take it in the market, is $200. If we take it here, it's really affordable price. For only the first 10, it will cost you less than 80. I repeat this again, less than $80. It will cost you less than $80 only for the first 10 that subscribe to this course, because this is an experimental. Okay, and the outside you can find it by the price of $200, but only for the first 10 it will be less than 80. It's between 70 and 80, because we need to need to set a good price for our first lovely subscribers. So close this, okay. Now the next step, we have to install our tool, our command line tool for AWS. pip3 install AWS CLI. Check this out. Okay, requirement, okay, all satisfied. After that, version sorry my friends, you check this, you see that the AWS CLI is the version 1.16.237. we have Python, which is 3.7.4, the version of Darwin, and the version of Botocore. And now, last but not least, we install Boto3. Connecting. Okay, you will have, which is incompatible. Told you here, this one has a requirement with one, but you will have Botocore, which is incompatible. Okay, because here we have installed this one. Let's check the Boto3 version. Okay, my friends. Let's see the Boto3. Install Boto3 default. Okay, let's check the Boto3. We have it here. Python 3.7. Okay, import Boto3. Okay, which means don't have any problem in the installation of Boto3. Okay, so all good. And this problem, if you see here, we have an error here, but we will not solve it here in the free content. This is will solve it in the future of the course, if you will go and take the course, the best course ever that you can find in the market. Okay, if you can see here, so we finished the installation in Python 3 and pip, PyCharm community, AWS command line, Boto3, and we verify the setup. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and I hope I will see you in the course. Take the course because it's the best course ever, not the bullshit that you find outside. I recommend you the course.